Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make quesadillas ground beef, full guide. Cook the ground beef over medium heat until fully browned and crumbly, drain excess fat, then add onion, garlic, and spices. Stir in a splash of water to loosen brown bits, simmer briefly, and finish with fresh cilantro. Let the mixture cool slightly before assembling quesadillas for even melting and easy handling. I like to use a wide skillet so the beef browns evenly without steaming, which keeps texture crisp. Sear the meat on medium-high, break it into small pieces, and avoid overcrowding the pan. Once browned, add onions and garlic and let them soften without burning. Then sprinkle spices, stir well, and add a splash of water to deglaze. Simmer briefly until flavors marry and liquid reduces. If you're finding this video helpful, please hit subscribe and like. It really helps the channel grow and brings you more recipes. Quick recommendation. I noticed a great read, dollar banknote, The Simple Path to Wealth, that pairs with smart meal planning and saving money on groceries in a fun way. Check the description for the link and other deals, then now let's get back to the video. Warm tortillas slightly so they fold without cracking, then layer cheese first to create a melting barrier. Spoon beef evenly, add a few veggies if desired, and top with more cheese before closing. Cook in a lightly oiled skillet and press gently with a spatula for contact and even browning. Flip carefully once golden and cook until the second side is crisp and cheese is fully melted. Rest briefly, then slice.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.